How to link Steam to Discord. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Kate here, and on today's video I will guide you how you can link your Steam to Discord. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, log in into discord.com. Once you're logged in, navigate to your user settings. Click on the settings icon at the bottom left corner. Once you're on your user settings, again navigate to the side menu bar. Click on connections. Now on the connections, here you get many options to add into your profile. From here, you have to select Steam, so click on Steam. That's gonna redirect you to a different page. Here, you'll be taken into Steam sign-in page. So enter your Steam sign-in credential with your account name and your password. Then click on sign in. After you have entered your Steam login credential, you'll be taken into different page will be authorized, and once that process complete, your Steam account will be linked to your Discord account, and after that you will find your Steam account under the connections on Discord. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.